Who holds the future of the Earth? This was a question I kept thinking about after week 9. Our lecturer, Adam Fish, pointed out that humans have built a new layer on top of the biosphere, the technosphere, and that recently it has grown equal in weight to the biosphere. To me, this means the technosphere is no longer just resting above the living world. It has already started to penetrate and reshape it. The rating also emphasizes this transformation. It describes the rise of a kind of intelligent exoskeleton, a distributed layer of sensors and computation capable of answering planetary-scale questions like is the Earth warming or how old is the planet. In other words, our understanding of climate change is itself an epistemic achievement of planetary computation. But I think this insight from the rating also reinforces a paradox we face today. AI helps us know the planet, but the very infrastructures that make this possible, from data center to electronic waste, are intensifying the climate crisis at the same time. So the technosphere is both a diagnostic tool and a planetary burden. Fish then asked, as the species that built this technosphere, this growing superstructure, what responsibilities do we have? To each other, to other organisms, to the future of the planet. The rating pushes this further with the idea of terraforming, but not of another planet. It argues that we are already terraforming Earth itself, reshaping it through artificial intelligence, synthetic cognition, and the rationalization of ecosystems. In its optimistic version, terraforming means building a viable planetarity, a future where human and non-human intelligence collaborate to stabilize the Earth. But it also implies that liberation of synthetic intelligence, giving the technosphere more autonomy in shaping planetary systems. And this is where my concerns lie. I don't doubt that humans have the intelligence to develop sustainable technologies. What I doubt is our ability to control the desire to accelerate, to expand faster, compute faster, and push the technosphere to grow without limits. If we embrace accelerism, if we let AI expand unchecked in the name of progress or planetary management, then the technosphere may not just sit on top of the biosphere, it may eventually overwhelm it. So, when I return to my opening question, who holds the future of the Earth, I still don't have a clear answer. But to the question, who might endanger that future, the rating and lecture together suggest a troubling possibility. Not an asteroid, not a cosmic disaster, but the artificial intelligence, the technosphere we built, and human impulse driving it forward.